Imagine stepping into a wild, pristine world where towering glaciers meet the roaring Southern Ocean. Welcome to South Georgia, an untouched wilderness that beckons adventurers. This remote island, known for its dramatic landscapes, boasts stunning mountains, vast ice fields, and rich biodiversity. Wildlife enthusiasts will be captivated by the sight of immense colonies of king penguins and elephant seals basking on the shores. The island's natural beauty is complemented by historical significance, being the site of early Antarctic exploration. Visit breathtaking, an abandoned whaling station, where you can explore its intriguing museum and learn about the island's past. Hiking trails lead you through breathtaking scenery, with opportunities to witness incredible seabirds soaring above. The unique wildlife encounters are not just limited to penguins and seals. You may spot whales in the surrounding waters. After a day of adventure, indulge in the local cuisine featuring fresh seafood while absorbing the serene atmosphere. South Georgia is more than a destination. It's an invitation to explore a remote paradise where nature thrives in magnificent isolation. Prepare to be enchanted by its unspoiled allure and unforgettable experiences.